Hello and welcome to the video, my fellow humans. It's been a great experience for our team to make videos for you all. We all had a great time making those videos for you. I hope you all enjoyed watching them too. Let's take a recap of our previous videos. In today's video, we are going to give you the best possible solution of our problem, cash flow management. After multiple brainstorming and brainwriting sessions, we came to a common conclusion with 100% agreement that we need to introduce something that is affordable, cheap, and that sits on your palm 24/7. Yes, everybody would have guessed it till now. We are going to launch a very own cash flow management app named after all the hardworking cashiers of our country. Our app Cashier is the best possible solution one can offer for cash flow management problems. It's available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Now I would like to call upon Ayush to tell you about the user interface of Cashier.
Hello, I am here to explain you about the UI of our app Cashier. Cashier has an easy to use user interface. We at Team4 have taken special care to make the user interface as simple as possible. Fewer bucks, more money. Our team has tried to keep the app bug-free as far as possible. We also release updates regularly so that you can use the app without interruption. Security. Stay secure with password protection. No one except you would be only able to use and edit your transactions. Also, your data is safe with us. It is safely encrypted. Thanks. Now my friends at Team4 who helped me to develop this app will tell you what it can do.
Thank you, Ayush. Our app Cashier offers a very wide range of features which I alone won't be able to explain. So, I will explain some of them and my friends will continue. First, it connects with banks. The app's AI powered transaction manager connects with your banks automatically so that you can check your transactions or balance at the touch of your fingertip. It also supports multiple accounts. You can manage each account separately or pull them together. It totally depends on you. Second, categorization. Cashier groups transactions into different categories like investment, lifestyle, food, etc. automatically thanks to its AI powered engine. If some categories are missing or you want to add new ones, you can do it very easily. It automatically separates payments into recurring or one-time payments. You can also group them according to their amount. Third, graphical representation. You can see where and how you are spending your money in form of easy to understand pie charts, linear and logarithmic graphs that are prepared by our app at your disposal. From here, my friend Sambit will continue.
Now moving on to what our app does. It generates reports. Cashier easily generates a detailed report that provides information about your finances, and you can also export it in the form of Excel or Google Sheets and PDF. This report will automatically be prepared at your discretion. You can also choose to get automated monthly or yearly reports. It also helps in budgeting. You can prepare your budget for the upcoming month with suggestions from our AI-powered engine. There is also an inbuilt calculator to help you plan an emergency fund for yourself, do financial planning and plan your monthly budget. It will help you prevent excessive spend from your end. Now, AI engine also prepares a sample budget based on your transaction. It has an integrated calendar, gallery and maps. A calendar has been integrated so you always know when the transaction happened, and you can also sort transactions concerning a certain date. Also, it connects with your gallery, so even if you forget, you will have a photo to remember it by. You can also set the location of the place where you are doing your transactions. From here on, I transfer the command to my friend Ashish, who will tell you the things you can manage from with our app.
Thanks Sambit. With the help of our app, you can manage the cash flow and also you can manage these things. Manage your debt. When loan cash is debt by someone, our app acts as a healthy reminder to pay off the debt quickly. Manages credit score. Credit cards are the main vehicle through which your credit score is built and maintained. So watching credit spending goes hand in hand with monitoring your credit score. If you ever want to obtain a lease mortgage or any other type of financing, you will need a solid credit report. Our app helps you to manage your credit score and prepare one hell of a report. Manages your recurring payments. You can easily manage your recurring payments with the help of our app. Now, my friend Anubhav will tell you some additional features of the app.
Thank you, Ashish.
Now I'm going to introduce some of the additional features of the app. One of the additional feature of the app is the tip section. We have added a tip section that provides you the news, tips on money management, how celebrities do it, quotes to motivate you, and much more, so that you can stay on the right track. One more feature is always on notification. Do you always want to be alerted of the transaction taking place in your bank account? Don't worry. Turn our always on notification and we will alert you through email or phone for every transaction. The last and the most essential feature is powerful search and filters. Our AI-based search engine quickly looks up your transaction to find the one you are looking for. You can design very powerful filters in app to filter each transaction to your liking. Thank you everyone. These are the features that make Cashier a great app. Be sure to try it out.
Thank you members, it's been a pleasure working with you all. Now a short video from our very own superstar, Satya Prakash.
Hey, stop whistling and scrolling your phone. I found a great information for you. Well, what is that? Well, I found an app that will deprive you of your half of your stress. So you've actually found an app that does all my assignments by itself. No, not that. I was talking about the other half of your stress. Could you kindly tell me what is that? Well, I was talking about the stress of managing your money. Well, in that case, you don't need to worry because all my money, it gets wasted in useless things and I don't even know how. Exactly. I found a solution for your problem. An app that will manage and save your money by itself. You're kidding me. No, I'm not. Oh? Then tell me, what is it called? Well, listen to me carefully. Let me explain here. I'm all ears. Tell me. So, what this app does is that it's then connected to all of your bank accounts and it will monitor all your accounts. And also, this will set a goal for you that how much money you want to spend every month. And the moment you exceed that amount, it's going to send you a notification. It also has an inbuilt calculator for calculating your expenses. Yeah, it will also divide all your expenses into categories like food, lifestyle, etc. And so that you can actually know where you have wasted your money. Yeah, it also has other list of features that are extraordinary. Stop. I'm gonna download the app myself and I'm gonna find out about the rest of the features myself. You also.
Download Cashier, your personal money manager.
And wait till the end for a short video message from all our members. Thank you for supporting us. Keep showering your love. Stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you to all of you for watching our
Thanks
video.
everyone for watching this video.
Thanks for
guys
watching.
for watching.
I hope you enjoyed all our videos. So show it some love by giving it a thumbs up and also giving us the feedback about all our videos. We need it, and as a good person, you should help the needless. Do it.